Well, here's a question for you. What good is a levee if it can't keep the water out? People in Conway County are trying to solve that problem because a section of the levee is currently wide open to the Arkansas River.
Our Niels Rank saw it firsthand and tells us what happened and what's at risk because of it.
For more than 80 years, these gates have been the front line of defense for Seth Walker and his neighbors. But lately, they've been hurting more than helping.
These are not functioning. We're not holding out water.
When it rains, these levee boxes are supposed to shut the Arkansas River flooding out of Walker's ranch and nearby farms. He has helped maintain the gates since he was a child, but he said it's to the point where something needs to be done before another major flood.
It's not a matter of if, it's when. It's going to get bad, and it won't affect just us. It's going to affect everybody.
I spoke with Conway County Judge Jimmy Harden. He said these levee boxes were never designed to be inundated with water, which is why the steel is deteriorated. The water level was actually raised decades ago, which has been escalating this problem.
We're going to basically be looking at what I call everybody taking and holding hands on this to hopefully develop a system, get the system upgraded where it needs to be.
The Conway County Levee Board said the solution to this problem is money, and they don't have it. They plan to combine 3 levee districts from Morrilton to Menifee to help pay for it as they seek state and federal aid.
Just about the funds is what it amounts to.
But for others, it amounts to everything.
I've got a road that'll go under. We've got barns that'll go under. Thousands and thousands of dollars of crops. It's going to ruin us.
Oh, the one over there.